Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with an OHaus Defender 2000 series scale. We are specifically unboxing the 150 kilo scale. Product code IC D24PE150FL. The OHaus Defender 2000 series of bench scales offers OHaus' signature accuracy for commercial and industrial weighing applications at an unbeatable price. The scale features an easy-to-read red LED display that can be viewed in even the dimmest industrial conditions, 150 kilo weight capacity, resolution of 20 grams, 1 second stabilization time, and weighing, parts counting, and accumulation functions. In the box is some paperwork, including assembly instructions, a warranty certificate, and an instruction manual on a CD. Assembly hardware, the T24PE indicator with a large display and LED indicators around the digits, and 4 multifunction buttons. These are Power 0 Yes, Print Units No, Function Mode Back, and Tear Menu Exit. On the base is a load cell cable connector and the power receptacle. And lastly, on the back, there are the mounting tracks. There is a mounting bracket, the 304 stainless steel pan, aluminium steel load cell, indicator mounting pole, and a power adapter. If you would like to see an Instrument Choice scientist assemble this scale, see the link in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.